We continue our coverage of the breaking news at 12:30 as the Supreme Court has overturned Roe versus Wade. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Autumn Bracey. Let's go now to our News on 6 Washington Bureau Chief Alex Cameron with more on what he's learned. Alex.
Hello, Autumn. It is quite a scene here in Washington, D.C., in front of the Supreme Court. Right now, I'd say the stage, if you will, is being dominated by the pro-abortion rights activists. They are yelling chants like "Rise up for abortion rights." Of course, the pro-life side has been out here in strength as well. Lots of students for life who were here earlier that I spoke with. So, you know, this is just one of those very divisive, emotional issues that's got both sides very fired up. And, you know, we knew this was coming, or had a pretty good sense that it was coming about a month and a half ago after the draft opinion of Justice Alito was leaked. But it came with confirmation this morning that indeed a majority of the court was overturning Roe v. Wade. And with that, you had people marching immediately to the Supreme Court, even a large group of Democratic lawmakers.
We trust women. We won't go back. We trust women. We won't go back.
Large groups out there carrying signs and placards, expressing their joy, expressing their disappointment, their anger. Again, this is one of those issues. It's not surprising that there are strong opinions and emotions on both sides.
I'm really happy to see that this is going to have an impact in so many lives and so many states, and it's hopefully going to have massive repercussions that save a lot of lives, and I think that's really important. It's a huge day.
It is a dark day. I mean, it's 50 years of precedent that they decided they could overturn, and if that's what they feel about precedent, there's no saying what else is going to go.
Of course, the Oklahoma delegation, all very pro-life, are in support of this decision by the court. Senator James Lankford, who perhaps has been most public in his stance on abortion, put out a statement very quickly, reading in part, "Today is a historic day for our nation and for life. I am overwhelmed with joy for our nation and for the lives of unborn children who will have a chance to grow up because of the Supreme Court's action." I even ran into an Oklahoma family that happened to be in D.C. On vacation. They were here in front of the Supreme Court and very supportive of this. Obviously, there are many Oklahomans, though, who have concerns. And keep in mind, there is another big decision from the court still to come this session. Perhaps it will come out next week. That is the Oklahoma versus Castro Huerta case. This is the follow-up to the McGirt decision. We won't see crowds like this here for that one, but it will be also very important for Oklahoma. I'll be here covering it. Live in our Washington Bureau, I'm Oklahoma's own Alex Cameron.